Okay, so we're gonna do a turmeric shot. So we're gonna start with the yellow herb. This is for 4 people. So we need 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2 of yellow herb. We're gonna take the white herb, 2 tablespoons. 1 and 2. So we got that 2, and then we got 2 tablespoons of ginger. So we're gonna go ahead and do 2 tablespoons of ginger. And then another 2 tangerine or 2 orange.
Tangerine.
We're gonna put about 8 tablespoons. I'll take about 4 tablespoons of water with the lemon juice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll take another about 6 tablespoons of regular water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more, 7. We'll take a little bit of salt to the taste, and tell us 1 line. So we can squeeze in 1 line. You can always add more water and a lime and a salt to your taste. It needs to be a little salty and a little bit of tangy. Then you go ahead and do that. Alright, so we are done. If you need to add more water, you can always add more water once we are close by. And we go ahead and blend this all together. And let's start. See this? And ow! Now taste this little bit to make sure everything is in there. Maybe a little more salt. And I'm gonna squeeze in just a tiny little more lemon juice. There we go. And that is all basically done. And that is our tamarind shot right here. That will make about good for about 4 people. And we'll fill it up in a glass, and I'll just take the water out in here so you can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in this glass here. we go. That's your turmeric shot. Take it as much as you can, probably about 3 times a day. If not, try at least 2 times.